Lattice hypothesis. So in case of lattice hypothesis, there is it explains the precipitation reactions, and the amount of precipitation formed is greatly influenced by the relative proportions, and this is of the antigen as well as the antibody. So the components here, it includes the prozone phenomenon. So what is the prozone phenomenon? So in case of the prozone phenomenon, it is caused by the excessive antibodies. It's caused by the excessive antibodies, and this is present in the test system. And next, there is also the weak absent precipitation. So in case of weak absent precipitation, so what this does is that this gives a false negative test. So next, what we see is zone of equivalence. So in case of zone of equivalence, there is an antigen, there is the antibody, and they are in optimum proportions, and it is maximum precipitation occurs. There is max precipitation that occurs. So next we look at the post-zone phenomenon. So in case of the post-zone phenomenon, so here it is due to the presence of the excessive antigen. And this excessive antigen is present in the test system. And here it is weaker or absent precipitation.